Common shower cleaners can release toxic chemicals into wastewater and harm aquatic life if not chosen and used carefully. Many common cleaners contain volatile organic compounds, phosphates, chlorine, bleach, quaternary ammonium compounds, and surfactants that persist in the environment. These substances can increase algal blooms, reduce oxygen levels in waterways, and damage aquatic organisms even at low concentrations. To reduce impact, start by using a simple diluted vinegar and dish soap mixture for routine cleaning. Combining 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts water and a teaspoon of biodegradable dish soap in a spray bottle, letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before wiping. For heavier soap, scum, or mineral deposits, apply plain white vinegar full strength to the spot. Wait 10 to 20 minutes. Then scrub with a non-abrasive brush and rinse thoroughly with plenty of water to dilute runoff. When choosing commercial products, select those labeled biodegradable and free of phosphates, chlorine, bleach, ammonia, and quaternary ammonium compounds, and follow the manufacturer directions to avoid overuse. Always ventilate the bathroom when cleaning. Collect and dispose of any concentrated residues or wipes in the trash rather than rinsing them down the drain. And consider using a squeegee after each shower to reduce the need for frequent deep cleaning. The 3 most common mistakes are overuse of concentrated chemicals, assuming all green labeled products are benign, and poor rinsing that sends residues into drains. People often pour or spray more cleaner than necessary, which increases chemical load in wastewater. Use measured amounts and targeted application instead. Many products use marketing terms that sound environmentally friendly but still contain harmful ingredients, so read ingredient lists and choose items that explicitly list biodegradable surfactants and no phosphates or quaternary ammonium compounds. Failing to rinse surfaces thoroughly allows concentrated residues to enter the sewer system. Always rinse with a steady flow of water and wipe with a reusable cloth to capture solids for trash disposal. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate local contractors for green cleaning projects, maintenance, and upgrades that reduce water and chemical use. We also help contractors find work and participate in our active community discussion forum where members share product experiences, recipes, and practical green cleaning tips.